Happy Christmas Eve or Merry Christmas Eve. What are you supposed to say? Happy holidays. That's what I always tell people. Happy holidays. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning into another video. This is Vlogmas day 25. So you know what? I can officially stop. Like, this could be the end of the video. Vlogmas day 25. Peace out. And then that's my upload. I really don't know what this video is going to be today because it's cold outside and we're probably going to stay in the house all day and be cozy and all of that because nobody's trying to get sick. And you know, we're also in the middle of a pandemic. If you're new here, my name is Angela. I lost 200 pounds, fell in love with running, and now I'm trying to live the healthiest life I possibly can while raising a child. And yeah, so this morning I got up at 4 o'clock and I worked out and had a good workout, went and took a shower, started watching TV, and then fell back asleep until Tot woke up because Tot did not have to go to school today. That's why I'm saying we're probably just going to stay in the house. I kind of want to go by the Just Dance 2020, is it 2020 or 2021? Because I think that would be something that Tot could do too, but maybe I'm overestimating the power of my 4-year-old. But I think it'd be cool if we could dance and have a good like family time. But yeah, I don't really have any plans today. But this is Vlogmas day 25. All right, it's taken a moment, but we are now ready
to break off the chain.
Yes, we're gonna break off the chain.
And we're gonna be Santa Claus. You're gonna be Santa Claus. I'm gonna be your reindeer. Okay?
Can you reach it?
Yeah.
Break off the green one.
I can't get it. Where's the water? There it is. Got it.
All right, so there's only one more day. Tomorrow's Christmas.
Yeah.
We did indeed leave the house. Against my better judgment, I decided that, ooh, that light is harsh. I decided that I needed to go buy some boxes for some presents that I need to wrap. Well, I went to Dollar Tree. Crazy. The parking lot was out of control. People were just slamming on the brakes and pulling out a parking spot. So I was like, okay, Dollar Tree is not the place for me to be. So then I ended up going to Walmart, which was not chaotic at all. It was perfect. There were no lines. I mean, there were lines, but they were moving quick. The aisles weren't jammed up with folks. It was really, really nice. And I got what I needed. So I'm going to do a little Walmart haul with you of things that we got. Okay? So I already put them away, forgetting that I needed to do a haul. We got these cute little hair bows right here because, you know, somebody's all about the fashions. I got this real good cauliflower crust pizza because, you know, if you watch the video, then you know. So I'm gonna eat that tonight. We had to get cookies for Santa because, you know, we were supposed to make cookies, but that's probably not gonna happen. But they had these little snowman cookies and, you know, that's what Tot wanted to get. But I had to convince her that Santa would probably like these a little bit better. But you know what we don't have? We don't have a carrot for Rudolph. I got some Health Aid kombucha. I will be drinking this afternoon. Very excited about that. And I think that is everything that we got from Walmart. Oh, no, I got 2 things for Tiny Tot. I got these cute little pants right here. They're the Granimals 365, so they're the better brand of Granimals. And look how cute they are. And I also got her a pair of shorts. I know that it's really early, but look how cute these are. They have a little stripe down the side, and they're long. So when it's time for shorts, well, let's be honest. Yesterday we were wearing shorts. Today it's 45 degrees. She's eating McDonald's right now because...
I'm done.
Oh, you're done? You can put it in the box and we can eat it later. You don't like French fries, huh? You just like the chicken nuggets? We'll just order you chicken nuggets next time. And what's that?
That's Duchess.
Duchess. Do you want mommy to open up Duchess?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a Michael one, but...
Alright, I'm checking in because we are doing absolutely nothing, but I have a project. Well, okay. true story. I need one of these boxes to wrap a present. So these things have just been sitting in my closet forever. So I probably just need to hang them up on the wall. So I'll show you what they are. This will be my little vlog project for today. And then I'm gonna finish wrapping presents. So BTW, I changed my pants because I wanted to be cozy too. My child constantly, I won't let her watch like the kids YouTube, but I put the app on there, but then I took it off, but I put it back on there today because she says, but you make YouTube videos, mommy, why can't I watch YouTube? So touche, but she got me. Okay, so I have these things that I need to go ahead and put up. They're so cute. These are her like year pictures that I do. Okay, so the first year and the second year, I obviously took her to JCPenney to get her photos, but last year I didn't have any money to do it, and then this year all the spots were taken, so they didn't have any till January, so I went ahead and took my own pictures. But this was her first year, and this is just going to be her picture from 3. So I thought it was really cute. And then this year I just took the pictures myself because it was easier, and this is this year. I don't know if you can see that. So I think I need to go hang these on the wall. Hey, watch out.
Where is it? Watch out! Oh, look, there we go. Mommy, that was so loud.
Was it?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, well, it's done. It's not perfect. And actually, some of the pictures, when I was doing them, it's a little bit weird because some pictures are vertical and some pictures are horizontal and they don't match up with the year. So I'm just trying to do what looks cute. It's just a temporary little fix right now so that I can use the box, but it's done. Hey, and that's more than what I've been doing in the past 2 years. So look, I got it done. Okay. This day has been draining. It's exhausting doing absolutely nothing. But I guess we need to make some cookies now for Santa, right?
Yeah, cookies now for Santa.
So,
Santa's gonna love those.
yeah, we need to go ahead and make the cookies so that we can get ready to go to sleep. Because it's 5 o'clock and you have to go to sleep soon so that Santa will bring presents. We've been tracking Santa. He left Spain already, so. Yeah.
Why did he left Santa?
We have birthday cake on our face right there, yes.
Birthday cake on her face, but we got one piece left.
Yeah, there is one piece left.
Who's going to eat it all?
We'll leave it for Santa.
Huh?
We'll leave it for Santa.
Those?
Yes.
The cake for Santa?
And cookies.
And cookies for Santa.
Anyway, let's get to making the cookies.
We need to make our cookies. Bye-bye.
Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times.
Alright, so that is the end of this video. So we just finished our cookies.
We just finished our cookies.
So thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
No, we're gonna show them.
No, we're not. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button. And we will see you tomorrow. Merry Christmas. Bye.
It will always be Christmas in